Hi, so this is Neha and I'm doing this series which is called Me Answering Your Question and different related questions. So I'm on my ninth part, and what is my question? Let me read it. How do you get internships? When should I start making my portfolio? Okay, so this is like when you are in first year and all. So for that, this is so. How do you get your internship? So we have a we don't get internship, and our job postings are not in FD. They get job posting, in TD they get job posting on LinkedIn and all. But for AD, mostly job postings are not uploaded on LinkedIn and all. So we should have this procedure, which I'm going to tell you, and other department students also do that. So in that, I will talk about portfolio. So you start your portfolio from day one. Like in first year also, when you are making something or designing something, you should document that. Like you should have videos, pictures of making it or designing it, and you have taken any inspiration. So you should have a PPT जिसमें वो हो. और we use all the designers use a app which is called Behance. You can write it if you want, Behance. And Behance is a software in which all the students upload their work, all the design students upload their work, and it is not from NIFT only, it's for whole global app. So all the designers upload their work in that. So we usually transfer I have uploaded on in my colleges also college also, they have uploaded all their stuff on their Behance and account. And then if we want to show someone that our work and all what we do and all, so we share their link, and the same thing. So you should start making that. You can edit that also. So if I have uploaded my post in 2020, so I can edit that. I can edit it till also. So if I wanna update that and all, so you will if you start documenting your stuff and all in from first year only, so you will have something to show to them. First I was doing this, and then I'm doing this, and then I reached to this. So I grow. I learn. I have knowledge. I have came from the basics and all, and this is all my learnings. I have learned all this. It is so this would add to your portfolio and all, and you never know what people like and what people don't. Just say in my first internship, I did not get my internship because my products was good. My products were good, but the person who hired me does not hire me because of my products. He hired me because I have done fashion collection, which was for extracurricular or something. But I have made documented all that stuff, and then I uploaded it in Behance. So I had that, and he hired me because of that, because he was if I could be that creative, then I have something to offer to him. So that was the reason I got my first internship. So you never know who might like what product of yours. So you might think this is my best product, but the other people thinks no, this is not, something else he must like. So yeah, so you should start documenting, start saving your products, start picturing and behind the scenes inspiration and all. You should start doing that from first year only, and you could